Hi, today we have a quick lesson which you might have seen like this on YouTube or broadcasting websites. It's iframe, which can display another website or video in your page. So let me see this. So just all what we have to do is iframe tag and then src to type the link for the website or the video. So for example, I will display France football in our page. So I will take the link and paste it here and close iframe. Nice. So here is the website France football. We can browse it from our page. We can also specify the width and the height. So just let we add an attribute width and height. Nice. That we now display a video from YouTube in our page and using the same HTML code, but let me change the link and we don't need those attributes. So here is the video I want to add. We copy the link and return back. It won't display and I will tell you why. So it can't be displayed. So we have here to remove from equal till this backslash and make another backslash and type embed. So let me try now. Nice. So here is the video. We can open it from our page. Nice. We can also change the width and the height like the first one. Let me show you another way. You can just make share and embed and just copy this code. You can copy the code with those attributes allow and autoplay, and here is an attribute frame border equal to 0 to remove the border that surround the video. So the last thing we have in this lesson, we can make this iframe a target for a link. Let me show you how we can do this. Let me make another iframe, but without the link for the video. Just we will use an attribute called name, and for example call it HTML attributes, and let me make a width equal to 300 pixels and make height the same thing. So now let me make a link that will take us to the iframe or will generate the iframe. So a and href will equal to, that we take for example this video attributes. We copy the link and we want to open this link within the iframe. So we will use target attribute like what we have seen in the link video. You can check this. target. When we explain how to make a link, we explain how to use target to open the linked document in a new tab. So we want to open the linked video in the iframe. So we will just type the name of the iframe or the attribute here, name. So the name is HTML attributes. And then let me call this link watch HTML attributes lesson. So let me save now. So here is the iframe, if you can see it, and here is the link. And when we click the link, the video should appear in the iframe. But we forgot to change the link here and type embed. So let me try again. Nice. So here is the video. I want to show you something else. Of course, we don't want to appear the iframe before playing the video. So let me remove the border. So this is the border for the iframe. So let me remove it using frame border. So here for the iframe, let me add frame border and equal to 0. So now the iframe not appear, and let me make a break line here. Nice. So when we click now the link, the video will appear. Nice. So here is the whole lesson about iframe. So if you have any questions or something you don't understand well, don't hesitate or shy to ask me. So practice well and see you in other lessons.